So fellas, I want to point something out to you. For those of you who've been following along from the beginning, you know that we did complete rebuild on the front end, front suspension, control arm bushings, bolt joints, everything on this truck, maybe a year or two ago. And here's what I found. Any guesses what this beauty is? This is a brand new, and I want to say it's a MOOG, however you pronounce, lower control arm rubber, not really a bushing, but a boot for that lower control arm. This really pisses me off. And one thing I noticed when I was using MOOG parts is that, and I'm probably mispronouncing that word, the simpler the words, the harder they are for some reason for me to pronounce. Anyway, today's MOOG parts are not your father's MOOG parts, or are they your, grandfather's? Also, they're not made in the United States. They're freaking made all over. I actually laid them out and I noticed they're like in Mexico, Pakistan, maybe a few United States, maybe even Poland. I don't know. They're made all over the darn place. And I think the quality differs. So this really pisses me off because this is going to be a bit of work to pull this off and replace the rubber boot on it. I doubt I need to do the whole lower ball joint. Let's see what the other side looks like. Let me get some light in there. So this one looks all right, I think. Yeah, there's the uppers somewhere. Yeah, this really upsets me. So new brake hoses, everything, and that really sucks. Glad I saw it though, so that needs to be fixed. All right, onwards.